Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Loupe Magnifier is probably one of the most underrated tools you can have in your kit. Whether you're a jeweler meticulously inspecting gemstones, a watchmaker delicately repairing intricate mechanisms, or an electronics enthusiast examining circuit boards, a high-quality loupe magnifier is indispensable. It provides the clarity and magnification needed to see the finest details that would otherwise be invisible to the naked eye, making your work more precise and efficient. Number 5. JARLINK 30x60x Illuminated Jeweler's Loupe Magnifier. This is the JARLINK Jeweler's Loupe. It's perfect for getting a closer look at gems, jewelry, coins, and more. It helps you see details you never noticed before. This magnifier is ideal for a variety of uses, from examining stamps to inspecting antiques. It allows you to see objects in crisp, clear detail. It's a must-have tool for anyone who needs a closer look. It features two lenses, a 30x and a 60x. The innovative design allows the light to switch sides according to the lens in use. For optimal clarity, keep the lens close to the object. The built-in LED light ensures the best possible visibility. The light illuminates your subject at the right angle and amount. This ensures a clear and detailed view. It's made from durable materials and is lightweight. It folds up easily and comes with a handy fabric bag. You can take it with you wherever you go. The package includes everything you need, including batteries and a manual. We are committed to providing quality products and excellent customer service. Get yours today. What we like. This loupe features dual lenses, offering different magnification levels for versatile use. It also has a bright LED light to illuminate your subject. If you're a jeweler or hobbyist who needs to examine intricate details, this is the perfect choice. Its compact design makes it easy to carry around, ensuring you always have a clear view. What people say. The magnification is quite good, as advertised, and the LED light makes it perfect for any ambience. You can clearly see the printing dot pattern using the higher magnification lens. Both magnifications of the loupe work very well, and having the internal LED lighting is convenient. Number 4. JARLINK Jeweler's Loupe with LED and UV light. This package includes two styles of jewelry magnifiers. One offers 3 magnifications, and the other has 2. They come with pre-installed batteries and a spare set, ready for immediate use. This folding diamond magnifying glass features LED and UV lights. It offers 3 different magnification lenses for detailed viewing. The LED lights ensure clarity, while the UV light detects specific markings. This loupe has 2 lenses, 30x and 60x. The light switches to illuminate the lens you choose. Remember to hold it close to the object for a clear view, otherwise, the image may blur. It's designed for gems, jewelry, coins, and more. This tool allows you to see objects clearly. It's perfect for hobbies, antiques, and detailed inspections. Made from durable materials, this magnifier is compact and lightweight. It's easy to carry or store. You can easily fold it up and put it in your pocket or bag when not in use. What we like. This magnifier comes with multiple magnification options, including a UV black light. This feature is particularly useful for detecting fluorescent minerals. If you are a gemologist or someone who works with precious stones, this is a must-have tool. It is also easy to carry, making it ideal for on-the-go inspections. What people say. The one slides in and out and has a light built into it. The magnification is clear and they function as they should. These loupes offer crystal clear magnification and feel like they are built pretty well. I like the rectangle shaped on the most. Cool to also have a UV light to see fluorescence. They come with pouches, tools to change batteries, and extra batteries. Number 3. Carson TriView TV 15. 5x10x15x Folding Loupe Magnifier. This is the Carson TriView TV 15, a versatile magnifier. It's designed to bring the smallest details into sharp focus, making it perfect for various tasks. The TriView features a 5x magnification power. It allows you to see things up close with incredible clarity. This is ideal for examining small objects. You can combine the loupes to achieve 10x and 15x magnification. This feature provides even greater detail. It's like having multiple magnifiers in one compact device. The TriView is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry. It also comes with a built-in protective case. This makes it convenient for on-the-go use. This magnifier is great for jewelry, hobbies, and detailed work. It's a handy tool for anyone who needs a closer look. It helps you see the unseen. What we like. This loupe offers adjustable magnification levels, allowing you to customize your viewing experience. It is also compact and lightweight, with a built-in protective case. If you like flexibility and portability, this is a great option. You can easily adjust the magnification to suit your needs, making it perfect for various tasks. What people say. It works very well for rock ID in the field. Lenses are clear. Convenient size. Simply the lens's magnifying power are increased by adding more lenses. 1 lens equals 5x, 2 lenses equals 10x, and 3 lenses equals 15x. The limiting consideration is the size of the effective field of view. Number 2. JARLINK 30x Jeweler's Loupe with LED light. This JARLINK loupe is designed for close-up inspection of gems, jewelry, coins, and more. It's perfect for anyone who needs to see the finest details. It is a great tool for professionals and hobbyists alike. With 30x magnification, this loupe allows you to see incredible detail. Remember to hold the lens close to the object for the clearest view. Otherwise, the image may appear blurred or inverted. It features adjustable lighting with both white and UV lights. The white lights provide excellent illumination for clarity. The UV lights can be used for currency verification and other specialized tasks. Made from durable aluminum and plastic, this loupe is built to last. Its lightweight design makes it easy to carry around. It also comes with a fabric bag to keep it safe and dust-free. This JARLINK loupe is easily stored in your pocket or bag. The package includes batteries, a manual, a lens wipe, and a bag. If you have any issues, please contact us immediately. What we like. This loupe provides a powerful 30x magnification, perfect for detailed inspections. It also features adjustable lights, including UV, for different viewing needs. If you're a coin collector or someone who needs to verify currency, this is the perfect choice. The UV light is a great feature for detecting counterfeit bills. What people say. Works just fine, lenses are pretty clear. Great for extreme close-up viewing. I used one for years while doing 35mm photography for reading negatives. The Amazon loupe supplies its own light and spa batteries. The focal length is slightly adjustable. It also has a grid that can be seen when viewing the small item, and has measuring lines so one can know the exact dimension of the item. More than I need, but a welcome feature. Number 1. Carson LumiLoupe 10x Stand Magnifier. This pre-focused dual-lens loupe is perfect for close-up viewing. It offers 10x magnification, making it ideal for a variety of detailed tasks. The LumiLoupe provides 10x power, allowing you to see intricate details with ease. It's designed to bring the smallest elements into clear focus. The transparent acrylic base lets in plenty of ambient light. This design enhances visibility and makes the object easier to see. It's a great magnifying tool for jewelers, watchmakers, and anyone involved in photography, printing, geology, biology, electronics, or collecting. The uses are endless. With a 1-inch lens diameter and a 2.0-inch base diameter, it is compact and easy to handle. Its dimensions are 2.0 by 2.0 by 1.75 inches, and it weighs only 1.4 ounces. What we like. This magnifier has a pre-focused dual lens for clear close-up viewing. The transparent acrylic base allows for ambient light, enhancing visibility. If you are a jeweler or watchmaker who needs a hands-free solution, this is the perfect choice. It provides a stable base and excellent lighting for detailed work. What people say. The magnifier is well built and the light is bright. The lens is clear and provides a sharp image. The included case is a nice touch for storage and protection. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.